What a fine day, everybody, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Dogecoin from WazirX to your Trust wallet. So WazirX is a crypto trading platform. So if you guys also want to buy and sell crypto like Dogecoin, as well as transfer in and transfer out cryptos like Dogecoin, then you can sign up into WazirX by using our referral link in the description. And if you use our link, you will get up to 50% off on your trading fee. And Trust Wallet is basically a digital wallet for storing your crypto. And you can easily store Dogecoin because it's a digital crypto. Alright, and with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let me show you the process of how you guys can transfer Dogecoin from WazirX to Trust Wallet. First step, you want to open your Trust Wallet and go on versus Dogecoin. Now once you go on Dogecoin, click on copy. Now what you just did you just copied the wallet address of Dogecoin. Now remember, make sure it's the wallet address of Dogecoin, alright? Don't copy wallet address of other crypto. Since we're transferring Dogecoin, copy the wallet address of Dogecoin. After you do that, just come to WazirX.com and log in into your account. And go on versus funds. And on funds, what you want to do is over here, you want to search for Dogecoin. If you don't see it, you can just search for DOGE. Research for it. Click on versus withdraw. There's going to be a place where you guys can paste your wallet address of Dogecoin. But since the deposit and withdrawal is not enabled because it's a part of rapid listing initiative, it means Dogecoin is currently banned in WazirX. But in the future, once it gets unbanned, once you click on withdraw, it's going to ask you to paste the address where you want to transfer your Dogecoin. Paste the address which you just copied from your Trust wallet. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer and then click on withdraw and it should be done. And yeah, you need to do your KYC in WazirX if you want to transfer your crypto. So if you have not done that, you can transfer Dogecoin. So hope you guys understand. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.